guys, and welcome to Emily Entertainment. My name is Emily, and today we are going to be doing a how much can a slime hold of pigments. So I'm really excited for today's video because I just got my pigments today from Amazon, and I'm so excited to try them out. So let's get started. Okay, so as you can see, I have two slimes here. So these are the slimes that I'm going to be adding some pigments to. These are my pigments that I just got today. Very excited to use them. And yeah, so this slime is like clear, but not like fully clear. And then I was playing with this one, so this one looks white, but it actually is clear. You see? Wait, hold on. It's just a little foggy, but still clear. So I'm going to be testing some out with how the colors show up when it's a little foggy, how metallic it is and stuff, and when it's like a good amount of clear with a little bit of bubbles in them. So yeah, so I'm going to be showing you all the pigments I have here today. These are mica, I think. Hold on. These pigments are soapy mica powder pigments, and they are for I think soap and like bath bombs. I don't know if they're for bath bombs, but they're still pigments, and I'm going to be trying them out in slime. So I really hope they work because I've been waiting so long to get some pigments, and I'm so happy that they came in. So let's show you what they are one by one. If you don't want to see this, just fast forward into the video. So the first one I want to introduce you to my favorite 6. So I'm going to find my other one, my favorites. Oh wait, I think I did find them. Okay, so I found my favorites. No, it was copper instead of cream. Okay, anyways. So I'm going to show you my favorites first. So my favorite, these are not in order. So first I have papaya, and it's this really nice, like, I don't even know how to explain this color. It's like kind of rose gold, but not. It's like pink and orange mix. So yeah, that's that one. And then this might be my favorite. Like, this is Blue Pearl Dry, and it's like such a pretty blue color. And blue is my favorite color, so I love that one so much. I also really like this mint, and it's kind of like, I don't know, it's just really pretty, very metallic, and yeah. Oh, sorry. So it's really pretty. Next we have cherry, and I've always wanted a red pigment. This one isn't as red as I thought, but it's very like metallic, and I love it. So that's in my favorite list. Also, we have berry, and it's just this light pink. It's kind of like a pearly pink. And yeah, the color is not showing up on camera. This kind of looks white on camera, but it's a really nice kind of pink. And last of my favorite is copper. You guys should know what copper looks like. If you don't, this is kind of what it looks like. It's very metallic, and yeah. So these are the other colors. I'm just going to show you the names because there's a lot here. So just the names. So haze, bronze, I can't read that backwards, aquamarine, dark scarlet, stone, black pearl dry, pearl, yellow gold, light brown, green pearl dry, silver, but I kind of cut me off, but I think this is more white than silver, so it kind of matches the pearl, but yeah. And then there's winter, dark purple, which I actually really like. This is a nice color, so it may join my favorite soon. And then we have black sea, pistachio, powder, and last but not least, granite. So we're going to be adding a little bit of all of these pigments into slime and see how many they can hold. So if they can hold all of these or just a few. maybe they can even hold some more. So I'm of course not going to use a lot. I have a big spoon, but since they're in little baggies and I want to save them for a long time, and have enough for like in the future, I want to use just a tiny amount. So yeah, I think the first one I'm going to do, probably my favorite if I can find it, is this blue pearl dry. It's such a pretty color. So I think I'm going to do this one, and I'm going to do it into the clear slime. So yeah, I'm not going to be doing them like this color goes in this and this. I'm going to be like half, so I'll just split them off. So I'm going to get them organized for which ones I want to go, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I split them off, and I think I'm going to get started. So as I said, I'm going to add the blue pearl dry first. I really hope these don't explode. So I'm just going to do it over the clear one. Oh my gosh, it's so pigmented and so pretty. Just a little bit. See, I added like such a little bit. I want to show you guys. This is all I've added. It's right there, and I'm going to mix it in and see if it like, well, I'm not actually, you know what, I'm not going to mix it in, and I'm going to wait to the end to mix it in so we can see what it all looks like mixed in. Okay, so now I'm going to add something into the like foggy kind of white slime. So I think I'm going to add in dark scarlet. It looks really pretty, and it's kind of like a very dark purple. So I'm going to add this one in next. I'm adding all the dark colors first. Don't know why. Okay, I'm adding. So I've added the dark scarlet. This may or may not be a long video because there's a lot we have to add. 24. Okay, so the next one I'm going to add for the clear one is this mint. I think I'm going to add like the darker colors in the white one first, and then the lighter colors like the blues and stuff, and then I'll like get my way through for this one. Obviously, if I was doing light, I would not have started off with that dark blue. Whoa, that just like exploded inside, and it looked really cool. So I'm adding that one. I'm not going to show you when I add each one because that's just going to take like way too long. So yeah, so I've added them in. Now I'm going to add maybe light brown. Yeah, I think I'm going to add some light brown. My hands are so like pigmented right now. So pretty. That's a lot of light brown. And yeah, as I said at the beginning of this video is going to be how much a slime can hold of pigments. And as you can see, I'm not adding a lot at all. So yeah. So the next one I'm going to add is papaya. Love this color. This is like so pretty. Like orange and pink. It's kind of a coral, but not. Like a metallic coral, but a little more on the orange side, which, I mean, coral is kind of like that. So yeah, anyways, I'm just going to stick with its original name of papaya. I need to move it up a little bit. Can't get any. Okay. Holy cow, that's a lot. We're going to have a lot of papaya in this one. Okay, well, lots of papaya going into this one. Okay, so now let's move on to this side. I think I'm going to do aquamarine. I don't know why I can't read that one backwards. It's like flipped, so it's not backwards for you guys, I don't think, but it's backwards for me. These actually may be all backwards for you. I'm sorry if it is. So, yeah. Oh, that was so much. Okay, so I got a lot of residue, so I'm just going to use the residue. Also, as I said, if you don't want to see me adding all these in, just fast forward in the video and you'll see what it looks like as I'm mixing. So, yeah. So next, I think I'm going to add the silver / white, because it doesn't look that silver, but, you know, it's metallic, so I will let it accept its name of silver. just want to say these are very pretty colors, and thank you so much, Amazon, for delivering these to me, because, like, I mean, we bought them, but still, you did a good job on delivering them. So thank you so much, Amazon. Next, I want to do Green Pearl Dry. I don't know why the name Dry is after it. Maybe it's like a dry, like, plain color, but I don't know. These names are really cool, too. Like, there's Berry, Black Sea, Winter, yeah. And then when it says, like, dry after it, I don't know that, like, I don't know what it means, but it kind of sounds cool, I guess. So, I'm just going to quickly add some of these, and, whew, you know, I'll be right back. So, I'm going to add some of these in, and then I'll be right back when I have only a little bit left to add. Okay, so I added all the pigments in. It was so much fun, and it got on my hands a little bit, but I'm okay with that. I also started, like, rubbing it a little bit to, like, make that little cool metallic show on the slime. So that's why my hands are a little like that, but when I was putting it in, it did get a little pigmenty too. So now I'm going to show you what it looks like with them in. Sorry, they're a little scribbled around, and they're not all in one place because I kind of spread the slime out too. So I'm just going to show you what it looks like. Then we're going to mix and see how the slime turned out. So this is how the clear slime turned out. I love all the pretty colors, and I kind of like merged the colors in a little bit. So that's why you can't see a lot of colors, but half of them are in there. So 12 are in there, and 12 are in here. So it's really pretty. I kind of spreaded this part out, and I really like how it turned out. So I can't wait to mix. Let's get mixing. So I think the first one I'm going to mix is the, like, foggy white one. Whew. And if there's not enough colors in here, because as you saw, I didn't add a lot at all. If there's not enough, I will add some more of my favorite. So my favorite out of that one was probably the dark purple. So I think I'm going to add a little bit of dark purple in if it doesn't show up a little. And you can kind of see as I'm mixing it in, it's kind of going, like, dark, because the foggy one, I tried to add as much, like, dark colors as possible. So the lighter colors would show up in this slime that I'm going to mix next. So this slime kind of looks silver to me, like grayish silver, but it's, like, metallic. But you know what? I think I kind of want to add some purple to kind of, like, you know, add to the color. So I'm going to add a little bit of purple, and I will be right back. Okay, guys, so I add a lot of purple in this. It's kind of hard for you to see. So I'm just going to, you know, do that. Yeah, it's all sinking to the bottom as I'm trying to show you, but I'm going to start mixing the purple in, and you'll be able to see it better as I mix it. Oh, it's all, like, falling out of the slime because there's a little hole in the bottom. So it looks really pretty on my table right now. It's very metallic, but I'm picking it up with the slime, and it looks really cool. Also, this slime, if it gets, like, a little messy, you just grab, like, a paper towel or something, as you would normally clean or something, and just wipe it up, and voila. So this slime is very pigmented and metallic, and I'm very happy with the results so far, and yeah. So I'm going to keep mixing and adding the pigment that is on my table into the slime. But I'm just going to give you a quick little result of what the slime looks like before I, like, continue mixing. It's a very nice purple. I don't know why it looks so dark on the camera, but it's a really nice purple. And yeah, so I'm going to continue mixing, and I'll be right back. Yeah. So let's do a little more showing of the slimes, and I think I'm going to end this video off. So, don't know why it's so silent, but just admire the pretty colors of the slime. guys.